Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. Presentation, my videos teach SEO Pro, my YouTube channel. My class and my lecture presentation, my videos, my tutorial, the motivational space. Please subscribe my channel and view your valuable comments and like share. Friends, just I am important point and step by step presentation my channel the hot important touch point this presentation my videos my lecture my class today's just 1 to 10 minutes videos, some important topics the presentation my videos, then presentation, the videos, this type of class, the tutorial and motivational space today's. What is the role of search engine optimization in digital marketing? What is the role of search engine optimization in digital marketing? Search engine optimization in digital marketing, very important point and topics. Search engine optimization in digital marketing. The search engine optimization optimize a website to improve to ranking on search engine result page. That means SERPS, search engine result page, which can help increase your reach to potential customer, targeted audience, potential audience, and support your wide to digital marketing effort. Very important points and important topics. I repeat, search engine optimization optimize a website to improve its ranking on search engine result page, which can help increase your reach to potential customer and support your wide digital marketing effort. Search engine optimization SEO in a integral part of a business. Search engine optimization integral part of a business. A digital marketing strategy can sometimes be forget quoting about a put on the back banners in order to force on quick win a generate revenues and drive interval. This is quick common for small, medium and large business that many don't have the recourse in invest in a long-term marketing strategy such as SEO, search engine optimization. It can also quick difference to convince the stakeholder and discussion maker of the important search engine optimization, because if it is not easily trade and specific financial numbers. Additional, many people might not really understand what search engine optimization is and how it can successfully help your business online process. Friend, search engine optimization, really understanding the search engine optimization is how to can successfully your business and online process and can digital marketing. What is the digital marketing? I am lot of definition, my lot of videos. The what is digital marketing? Digital marketing involves the business using digital channel and technology and the promote product, service or brand and ultimately achieve their marketing object. The digital marketing is because increase important for your business as more customers take to digital channel to make person discover with digital marketing business can reach and wide and more global audience, targeted specific market, targeted specific customer by demographic, track and analyze customer behavior and drive, generate brand awareness, ultimately sales and revenues. Digital marketing apply your small business, your large business, your medium business, ultimately targeted brand awareness and sales and revenues. Such digital marketing techniques including the 5 point. Very easy and simple 5 point. This number 1, the search engine optimization. Number 2, pay per click advertising PPC. Number 3, social media marketing. Number 4, content marketing. Number 5, email marketing. Number 6, influencer marketing. This is the very important topics your business, the run and digital marketing effort and your success, your business must be applied. The 6 point. Number 1, search engine optimization, SEO. Number 2, pay per click advertising, PPC. Number 3, social media marketing, SMM. Number 4, content marketing, the foundation of digital marketing. Number 5, the email marketing. Number 6, influencer marketing. And more. And I too can advance your business and your products or service together successfully. A digital marketing strategy obtain invoice, the competition and different type of digital marketing activities to reach and engage with the targeted audience, consists multiple channel and traffics. The second point, what is the search engine optimization? There are a lot of presentation in my videos, the search engine optimization. The search engine optimization already keyword and the quick response, the search engine optimization practice, design, improved reference and posting, web page, organic search in order word. Search engine optimization is all over optimize your website, person, search engine throws various traffic and because organic search on the great tool for people and discover your website. Good search engine strategy is necessary in increase your traffic, your website, your web page, your blogs, etc. etc. The search engine optimization in much people as about search engine, it is important and understanding what is people are searching for online and keyword how to answer and question the contain you rank these the knowledge and audience and enter the brain able to drive in oil to the search engine query and find understanding. This is the sweet support of search engine optimization and SEO. What are the objects of search engine optimization? If your business don't have optimized your website, there are high channel that you could be missing out on our benefits that ranking on search engine can offer your business. If you do own website having distribution online process offer more optimization, more opportunity to increase the visibility of your business online many others benefits. The rules of search engine has been your business and digital marketing in close. So friends, the next video presentation